Good morning, Wealth Maximalist here. So, very important update on Bitcoin price action this morning. So, we can see the downtrend channel that's been capping price since January 20th. Bitcoin is now trying to break it on the daily chart, and the 4-hour chart price action is just peaking above right now. So that's quite a bullish development. So we can expect price to rise in the next few days. And if I look to about the where it's at with the cloud perspective on the daily, if we get a bullish close above those wick, price is going to be above the EMA clouds, and now the flow would turn bullish on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour, it's been bullish for the past few days. We can clearly see where the trend is. So we can expect price to climb higher from here. I'm gonna look at the weekly chart. On the weekly time frame, same here. It's gonna try. It didn't close below it wick and close above with a bullish engulfing candle last week, and we're trying to reclaim some lost ground. But overall, only on the weekly chart, this has been not as explosive as past cycle, but it's still in an uptrend. On the 2-week chart, this is more visible, and it's not the time to try to short the Bitcoin price action like in 2022. And this was the COVID crash, but we printed so much money that it went straight back up, and that's what the 2018 bear market looks like. So far, it's not development is bullish, it's not bearish. I'm gonna look at Ethereum. So that's quite a different story. Ethereum is just not really positive. It's in a clear downtrend on the 2-week, on the weekly chart, and on the daily chart. So I think it's not out of the woods at all, even if people are trying to buy it. So it's a clear downtrend, and for a bullish development, we would need to close above, at least above this channel, the top resistance of the channel, and the EMA cloud, to see some bullish development. Got something else to show you about JAMSY. Yeah, I know some account on Twitter just were pumping, unfortunately, the JAMSY price to the moon, but it decided to do something else. And when it made the lower low and lower highs, it went on a downtrend for many months. So since December, this has been in a downtrend. But we can clearly see at the top, the channel, the top band has now 4 touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the bottom 1, 2. So that is quite a good development. If you wait and see price close above this top resistance, we might turn bullish again. So that's an impulsive, and now we're just consolidating in a tight flag, I think, above the cloud on the daily time frame. This is really positive. So all we need to do is keep building the momentum here, and try to push above this top resistance to see price appreciate again. So that's a setup that I'm looking at right now. And for my proxy Bitcoin play, I got MSTR. Same here. This could be a hanging man today if Bitcoin price reverse and go down. So I would cut the position as soon as we close below this week, this low of yesterday. But if I look, this is the same as Bitcoin, like a clear downtrend channel. So it's either going for a B wave, like this is. I'm gonna show you patterns. We don't know. That was quite a large bearish engulfing candle. This is A, and now are we going for only B to retrace C again? I don't know. So A, B, C. It could be it, or if this is a real bullish channel or bull flank, we could go reach a new all-time high. So we're gonna just observe the price action and let it decide by itself. So if we look at on the weekly time frame, it's been above the cloud ever since October 2022. So bulls are still in charge on the weekly time frame, hence why I'm long. Price is above the cloud. And if I look at the short time frame here on SPX, so on the 4-hour, we don't know if we're gonna push higher today, but price is still above the cloud. So for me, I don't short this. Price will need to close below this cloud to try to short the market, but right now it's above. So as long as it stays above, I expect price to come and touch the top blue band here. So we can see on the daily, this is the top of the channel, which will, I don't know how it will get there, but I think it will get there again and be tested. All right, that's all for me. Stay safe.